Hi, this is William Ramsey. Today, September 11th, 2016, Hillary Clinton collapsed at a 9/11 memorial. I have video of the event from three angles. Here's the first angle. You can see her strange, black, modified van pull up, but watch her right here in the center. Her handlers pick her up and forcibly put her into the van. Here it is in slow motion. You can see her knees buckle as they pick her up and barely get her into the van. Watch her head drop. Here's the second angle. If you look closely, it looks like they have her propped up against a cement post. And the third angle. Look closely at the bottom of the screen. As her handlers pick her up and put her in the car, you can tell her feet are completely listless as her shoe drags along the cement. Watch it again. Here it is in slow motion. Surprisingly, Fox News reported the event.
And John, before we get to that, I wanted to bring our viewers up to date on a story that is breaking right now that I just learned about within the last 15 or 20 minutes. As you know, there are many dignitaries gathered at the scene, including Republican nominee Donald Trump and the Democratic nominee Hillary Clinton, who was at Ground Zero, was there for the ceremony, and left unexpectedly, left early because of what appeared to be a medical episode. I have a law enforcement source who was there, who was 15 feet away from Hillary Clinton. He says she was standing on a curb with her protective detail waiting for her motorcade. They were surprised to see her because she wasn't supposed to be leaving yet, so they had to wait for the motorcade 2 or 3 minutes. When it finally rolled up, my source says she stumbled off the curb, appeared to faint, lost one of her shoes that wound up underneath the van. Her protective detail, I'm told, helped her into that van. And then the van took off, presumably in the direction of a hospital. They grabbed her shoe and flagged down the rest of her detail. Her shoe was given to that detail, who was following the other two vehicles, and they left Ground Zero early, just moments ago, because of some apparent medical episode that Hillary Clinton was suffering. It's not terribly hot today, John. It was warm, certainly warm at the scene. But again, Hillary Clinton, my source, was 15 feet away, says she appeared to be having some sort of medical episode, had to be helped into her van, and left Ground Zero early before this ceremony ended, apparently because of a medical problem. Of course,
Hillary Clinton's campaign claimed that she succumbed to the temperatures in New York. However, records show that today's temperature in New York was 81 degrees. Today, September 11th, 2016, Hillary Clinton was seen before her episode wearing strange blue sunglasses. Note that everybody else in the crowd is not wearing sunglasses. One commentator, Mike Cernovich, has stated that she is wearing anti-seizure lenses called Zeiss Z1 blue lenses. Hillary Clinton was seen walking to her modified black van being held by one minder with 2 hands. That same minder may have been giving Hillary Clinton a neurological test during the event. Instead of going to the hospital for treatment, Hillary Clinton went to her daughter Chelsea Clinton's Manhattan apartment. She was seen exiting refreshed and talking with a young child. Here are 2 angles.
How are you feeling, Secretary?
Great. Great.
What happened?
It's a beautiful day in New York.
Madam Secretary, how are you feeling?
Great. Feeling great.
What happened?
Yesterday, September 10th, 2016, Hillary Clinton was seen giving a speech, looking very tired.
Well, Amy, I think it's clear that the increasing threat posed by North Korea requires not only a rethinking of the strategy, but an urgent effort to convince the neighbors, most particularly China, that this is not just a U.S. Issue. And I think we have an opening here that we haven't had.
At the end of the speech, she walked off the podium and coughed.
Russian television.
Thank you all.
Again,
Russian television.
Thank you all.
Hillary Clinton has some undisclosed illness. It'll be interesting to see how her campaign explains away the events of today, September 11th, 2016. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. In the bottom right-hand corner, there should be a red dot. And share if you like the video. Thank you very much.